Hey guys, this is just to give you a video just to give you some extra information on how to use the new bingo card. It's more or less the same activities. I've just added some new ones in, but just so you know what to do. So for the next 2 weeks, so that's your lesson on Thursday and this Friday, and also lesson on Monday and Wednesday. So your aim is to get a minimum of 8 sessions in 2 weeks. Um, so this is for week 3 and 4. You might get 12 and you could also get 16. So this is equates to managing self. If you manage to get 8 sessions, you'll get 3. If you manage to get 12, you'll get 4. And if you get 16, then you're doing really well and going up and beyond what you need to do in the time that's allotted. I know that Adam and Charlie have already been on this week, so um, well done to you. I've had to remove yours, but I can add it back in. So what I've done on here is I've got rid of the days. But now you choose the activity. So if you cook a dinner for your family, this will count as 3 sessions. So say if I put it down, which I've done there, that will count there. So I've got 3 sessions already counted towards my minimum of 8. I then maybe have come along and, for instance, I put another few extra ones. The green ones are create a trick shot, nothing dangerous. Just give an example. So make sure that you're not jumping off roofs or anything like that, but it will count as 4 lessons. So if you can send me a video with that on, you automatically get your 4 sessions. Um, yeah, for instance, if you read a book for 10 minutes, every 10 minutes will count for one session, but an X times by the session. So I might be reading for 10 minutes, so it'll be Mr. Adamson, and I might read for 20 minutes, so that'll be times by 2. Or if you don't understand it, just put 20 mins, then going from there. So as you work down through the document, you might find ones you're going to put your for instance, back in there, I put Pokemon Go and a few other ones. I've also done one of a class video or a group video where you can get together with somebody else in your class and do a video of you passing or kicking a ball. So it might be that somebody takes on the chest, passes it to another person on another video, they take it on their chest and head it back to you, or a rugby pass going along a line and then somebody scoring at the end, so that you're having to collaborate, because that's what we're going to try and do a little bit more is as we're moving forward into the next couple of weeks, use a little bit more collaboration and try and get you working together that little bit more. I've still put in the yellow ones are still some of the same challenges, so you can see there that we've got ones that have got the amount of sessions on all of them. If, for instance, you might do one and it takes your baking, but you're baking a huge cake because it's your sister's birthday or something like that, and it takes you an hour to do, let me know, and then I will change the allotted time for you in terms of the time that it's taken. Once you get down to checking out the document and you go lower down, uh, I've still got at the bottom here the one there with regards to if you do something of your own. So it might be you put down your name. It help if I type it in really well, doesn't it? So Mr. Adamson, an activity and how many minutes. So for instance, I did a bike ride today, and that I did that for 50 mins, and you just put that in there, and that today is the 29th of the 4th. So I've already got there, so that would give me, in terms of my points of sessions, that would give me 5 from there. I then added in my 3 from making dinner from the family. That gives me 9 already. And then if I then go and do, sorry, and I did a walk on top of that. So today I did another walk for 50 minutes. There's another 5. So already you're talking about 13 sessions already done. So I'm close to getting those activities done there. Obviously, some of the sessions you get a lot less, but that's entirely up to you how you do it. Some of you will already be going above and beyond what needs to be done anyway, which is brilliant. And if you got any questions, let me know. I'll also be sending you individual invites to over the next 4 lessons. So you will get one invite and one of the lessons for a half an hour slot, going over well-being, and so that you've got a little bit better understanding of the 4 elements of well-being and what's made up of that, so that you're not too far behind when we get back and can start that when we get back. Any questions, just let me know, and I will see you soon.